Hi, it's Kathy. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. Have you ever noticed trying to do a side ponytail that you can never get the elastic to stay on tight? Like, have you ever wrapped it around your ponytail and all day long you're adjusting like this? Well, let me show you a nice little trick with a Lilla Rose Flexi Clip that will stay in your ponytail all day long without sliding, without any need for adjustment at all. Okay, so let me just show you. Now this is my normal size for a ponytail, an extra small, but it may not be everybody's size, and it isn't everybody's size. This is for someone with fine hair. An extra small is on the small side of what is common. Usually people are a small for a ponytail, but you can see I have a lot of length but not a lot of thickness. So for me, I could put this in my ponytail and it still actually has a little bit of give. Now it will stay, usually without sliding, but you can see I still have a bit of room to fill it. So what I can show you, because most people, like I said, are going to have more hair than me, and I'm going to try and show you from the side. I'm not sure if that's better for you viewing, but it might be better for me trying to do it. So if you gather hair from at the base of your neck, wrap that around your ponytail. And just keep wrapping until you finish. If your hair's shorter, it won't take you as long. Okay, bits catching in there. So I have, can you see how I've got that wrapped around the base there? What I'm going to do is take the pin, I'm holding it tightly for you to see, hang on. Take the pin and shove it inside the ponytail until you get it to come all the way to the top of that wrapped part. And then you can clip it closed. Do you see that? And then you have your ponytail on the side, and it looks pretty. Yeah, it looks better in the mirror than what I can see here. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. So that's that. And that will hold it all day. Like, that's not going to slide because it's catching around the whole base. See that? It's caught the whole base and it's clipped, and there are notches on this side to hold it in. So I could wear that all day just like that. So if you wanted to do your ponytail in the back of your head, that's fine too. Another way you could do it is if you work with that wrapped section, you could stick the clip in just halfway through the thickness of the ponytail because you've got that wrapped area. Now it's too loose for mine because my hair is not filling it. But do you see what I did there? It's halfway through my ponytail with that wrapped area. I've seen ladies do that as well. So it's too loose for mine that way. Anyway, that's a great way to wear a ponytail without having to adjust it all day long. It stays in your hair nice and snug. Remember, the premise is fill it with hair. When you fill it with hair, these little notches are going to catch the flexible part. Okay, so when it's filled with hair, it will catch in those grooves and then it will stay. If you don't fill it with hair, as you've seen, it will slide out. So you need to find the size that works in your thickness of hair. Like I said, this is my normal size, but I didn't wash my hair today. So it's staying. But you have to fill it. So you can see the hair in those circular loops. So there, it is nice and snug. Okay, so that is it. That's my little tip for today. Forget all the hair scrunchies and the elastics that you have to keep twisting and twisting and twisting, and they never fit just perfectly, do they? It's either 2 twists or 3 twists. You can never get a 4th out of it. Even with my fine hair, you can't twist it a 4th time usually. So they don't work. They just slide. And if you're going to be doing anything active, which we all usually are through the summer, that thing's gonna fall out and you're gonna have to readjust it all day long. So buy a Flexi Clip so that you don't have that problem, and you will thank me over and over again, because these are the best summer hair accessory that you will ever buy. So thanks again for joining me, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.